ho ho and Merry Christmas. Chicken Graham here with another episode of the Chicken Experience. Today we're gonna make a holiday traditional drink. What's your traditional drink? My buddy up in Vegas likes to make moonshine that he gives out to his buddies up in that area. But I personally like eggnog. So tonight we're gonna make traditional eggnog with some good old light rum. Yes! Stay with us. Alright, so some of the things that we need for this recipe is 4 cups of milk, 4 cups of light cream, which we actually have heavy cream that we had watered down a little bit. We're going to need 1.5 cups of sugar. We will need a 1/2 teaspoon ground eggnog, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 5 whole cloves, if I don't lose them, these little clove things. We got our nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves. We are going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract at one point and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract at another point. We're also going to need 12 egg yolks. See, it's all part of being the chicken farmer here. You get to utilize what your chickens put out. And once again, this is amazingly good eggnog from allrecipes.com. This is where I got this, and this is what we're going to do. So we're going to start out by taking our egg yolks out. Now this will work. That was pretty easy. I save the eggshells because I feed them back to my chickens. It's a good source of calcium, and it's a good source of calcium for humans too if you want to eat egg shell. Feed them back. There's one. 11 more to go. Alright, and there are our 12 separated egg yolks from the egg white. This will be what makes up some of the eggnog. Alright, so in a saucepan, we're going to combine the 4 cups of milk. Put that in there. Stop spilling it. Good job, man. Let's see if I don't burn this tonight because I already burned some popcorn earlier. And it worked out for me and my son, but it didn't taste that great. 5 whole cloves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 whole cloves. I hope that's enough. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Teaspoon vanilla extract, got a little bit more in there. I'm sure it won't hurt. Just extra vanilla. The 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon into there, and we will turn it on to its lowest. Slowly bringing the milk to a boil. I wonder if I should stir it up. Let's stir it up just in case. Now we're going to sit back and let that slowly simmer. I think that'll work for now. I'm not sure if our milk is warmed up enough. That's set there. We'll let that warm up. Continue to warm up. Alright, so we're waiting for the milk to warm up here so that we can pour it into the eggs, pour it back into the saucepan. I'm going to start adding my ingredients into the cream. First of all, we want 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to go in there. 1, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into our cream. I've already pre-measured my nutmeg, which is 1/2 teaspoon. The nutmeg in there. And finally, It's almost the whole bottle, 2.5 cups of rum. We're gonna get all schniggered off of this. So we're gonna let it cool before we drink it. We're just gonna pour all those ingredients in. Hopefully that bowl holds. While we're waiting on the milk to boil. I'm gonna get another whisk. So we're gonna whisk that all together and we'll wait. I'm just saying, if this thing says to boil this milk at the lowest setting for 5 minutes, whoever wrote this recipe is a little bit nuts. And they expect it to boil? Man, I got it on the highest setting for like 10 minutes now. This thing still ain't boiling. Eggnog. Not the easiest thing to make, but we got it up to where it's starting to barely boil, and I believe that's where we want it. So we're going to take the milk, we're going to slowly add it and whisk it into the eggs and the sugar here, the egg yolk and the sugar, and then we're going to put it back in the saucepan and we're going to stir it continuously for 3 minutes. Let's pour it in. Slowly. Slowly pour it in. I don't know if that's slowly. Don't know if that's low. I guess we should do it this way. And then on a we're back into the pan on a medium setting. Continually whisk for 3 minutes. It's a lot of whisking. It says do not let it come to a boil. So we will not let it come to a boil. Okay, so my 3 minutes is up, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the cream, I'm going to put it into this container, the cream with the nutmeg and the rum. Let's stick it into this pitcher here. Once again, it's a Rubbermaid pitcher I got from my aunt. I'm just going to add all this into here. Actually, I think I need to re-whisk this stuff out. And I have to let this cool for an hour. So we're gonna let this cool for 1 hour. Alright, somewhere between the cooling down phase, I lost my Santa hat, but I got my lucky yellow one here. So, 1 hour is up, we saw the timer go off. Now we take our cream solution, which we have in this container right here. Cream, rum, and nutmeg, and then we mix everything else in with it. We'll do that slowly. As slowly as we can get, anyway. Yes, I still have the clothes in there, but it says to filter them out, so make sure you filter them out, or if you don't forget that they're in there, and don't swallow them and choke on them. But mine are still in there. I'm going to give it a quick whisk. I'm going to stick it in my fridge. We're going to let it cool down overnight, and then I'll be back in the morning, and we'll see how it tastes. First time I've done this, so wish me luck. Alright everybody, thanks for cooking with me. We'll see you in the AM. These are Plymouth Rock chickens with barred feathers. They are a large, meaty, dual-purpose breed from Massachusetts. They are hardy and docile with a single red comb. They can vary in different colors. They lay large brown eggs and are great brooders. They're good in hot or cold weather, good foragers, and great starter birds for the backyard chicken farmer. Top of the morning to ya. Chicken Graham here with another fine episode of Chicken Experience early in the morning as the rooster rises. So we let our eggnog chill overnight. We got 5.5 quarts of eggnog. I also found my Christmas hat yesterday. Let's give this eggnog a taste. See if it's any good. To be honest, a little bit scared. First time I did it. Don't know what it's gonna be like. Pretty good. Pretty good. So there you go. There's your Christmas eggnog. Ooh, spicy with that rum. Don't waste your eggs. Make sure you cook your eggs when you're done. We can make them for breakfast. Egg whites are a nice, healthy snack for you in the morning. I am Chicken Graham. Thanks for watching. Wait! Don't go yet. Did you know in Japan it's a tradition for families to go to KFC for Christmas? From December 23rd, 24th, and 25th, the Japanese leave their houses to go get themselves a party barrel. They reserve these party barrels 2 months in advance. They get so busy that lines are formed out the door and around blocks, and that executives have to come down and help serve this food because they get so busy. Today was December 23rd. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. And then Christmas. Can you imagine how busy KFC is right now? I mean, it's daytime, it's nighttime here. Maybe next year we'll try this tradition and get ourselves a party barrel. Y'all have a good one.